In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade Topstep on Tradingview. We'll connect your Topstep provided Tradovate login to Tradingview so you can place trades directly from your charts in a simulated environment. First, sign into Tradovate with the login Topstep emailed you. On the sign-in screen, make sure you choose the simulated environment, not live. This is essential for Topstep evaluations and practice. Once you are in, glance at the account selector to confirm it shows a SIM account. If anything looks off, back out to the login screen and reselect the simulated option before proceeding. Next, inside Tradovate, head to Application Settings. Then find Add-on Tools. Here, activate the Tradingview add-on. This tells Tradovate it's allowed to connect to Tradingview. When you toggle it on, accept any confirmation prompts. If the toggle doesn't appear right away, now switch over to Tradingview. Open any chart, then look to the bottom panel. Click Trading Panel to reveal the list of supported brokers. Find and select the Tradovate icon. This is the bridge that links your chart to the Tradovate platform running your Topstep simulation. If you don't see the trading panel, expand the bottom toolbar or resize your window until the panel is visible. When the Tradovate dialog opens in Tradingview, enter the username and password provided by Topstep for your Tradovate access. Keep those credentials secure and don't share them. After signing in, choose the SIM account if you are prompted for an account selection. Tradingview should now display that you are connected to Tradovate, and your order buttons will be active. Remember that available order types and position sizing are governed by your Tradovate permissions for the Topstep simulation. If an order is rejected, reduce your quantity. Review your brackets and time in force and stick to instruments supported by your plan. At this point, place a small test order on a low-risk symbol to confirm everything is syncing. You should see fills and working orders reflected both on your Tradingview chart and inside Tradovate's order list. If you get a connection error, double-check that the Tradingview add-on is enabled in Tradovate and that you selected the simulated environment at login. Also verify your credentials match exactly what Topstep provided. That's it. You've linked Topstep to Tradingview through Tradovate and you are ready to trade from the chart in a simulated environment. Keep an eye on the account label so you always know you are in SIM. And